Vamos con todo.
Good morning, my people. This is your friend Pirulo. Today, one of my follow and YouTube channel asked me a question like, Pirulo, I need to paint my garage door floor, but guess what? I have a two estimate and it's not in my budget. It's too high for me. So she also said that my husband never have a time to paint the garage door. He always working 6 days a week, so he never have a time. So my question for you, Pirulo, today is, do you think it's something you can help me to do it? And I say, of course, Pirulo, he's the superhero, man. So follow me, and I'm gonna show you the project that I'm gonna do it today. This is the garage floor. Basically, you can see it's in bad shape, it's in bad condition. But today, I'm going to teach you how you can paint your garage door with a low budget. This is something that you can do in your house. Instead of you be watching TV and doing nothing, drinking beer. So I'm going to show you you can do this project by yourself. Okay, so I see you in a minute. Okay, after I explain you a little bit about the budget and everything, the next step for this project, I need to know how many square feet is this garage has. So basis and the square feet is basically how many gallons of paint I'm gonna need it. So the next step is see how many square feet I have it and then get the paint. Let's go.
Vamos con todo. Vamos con todo. Este canal está con todo. Vamos.
310. So after I know how many square feet that I have in this garage, so I have to go and buy the paint. I need to, for this project, like 2 gallons of paint. So now I'm gonna go to Home Depot, buy the paint for the garage floor. It has to be for the garage floor, and buy the material that I'm gonna need for this project. So stay there because you need a lane allowed from Pirulo. So stay there and I see you in a bit. Bye. Yes, we are going to Home Depot to buy the material, buy the paint. You need to know the paint you're gonna need for the project. You have to remember that it has to be a specific paint for the garage floor because all the paint is not the same. So when I get to Home Depot, I'm gonna let you know the one I like to use it for my project in the past. So let me get a Home Depot and I keep you posted. When I get there, I'm gonna show you because I don't want you to go and get the first gallons of paint that you find in Home Depot. You need to buy the specific paint for the floor. Let's go to Home Depot now. And this Do You Solve project, I'm gonna show you the paint that I like to use to do the project to stay in the low budget. And don't forget, my people, this is a very difficult time. Always wear your mask. Thank you. All right, now that inside the store, I'm gonna explain you something. A lot of people, they don't know basically the paint they need for the garage floor. A lot of people come and they get confused with this paint. This paint, it look like the garage floor paint, but it's not. This is for fence. Now, I'm gonna show you the one I like to use for that project. It's this one over here, concrete garage door. It's a slate gray color and it lasts forever. It's easy to maintain. For the oil for the garage spill, you can maintain easy. So I recommended this kind of paint. Thank you. Bye. So as you can see, you got two different kit tools for this project. One is $13, one $11. I usually go to the low budget because this kit, you got all the tools you needed for the project. You got 2 roll, you got a small roll, you got the handle, you got the brush, plus you got the container. So this is a very good kit and in the low budget. We also have the stick around here. It's usually I like to buy this one that it costs $8. So I like this one, and you can do a lot of multiple uses with this. So between this and this, it's like $23. So to keep in the low budget, this is what you need to buy. So I see you in the back in the garage, so we can start the project. That it's gonna look beautiful. You're gonna like it. Trust me, it's gonna be nice. I love it. Bye. People, before you start painting the floor, you need to sweep the floor. And this is basically, it's gonna happen before the total eat. So follow me to the project.
Vamos con todo. Vamos con todo. Este canal está con todo. Vamos con todo. Dile a Princess que ponga un huevo. Que ponga un huevo. Que ponga un huevo. Dile a Princess que ponga un huevo. Sazón ranchero. Ponele un poco. Sazón ranchero. Ponele un poco. Ponte criollo. Ponte criollo. Fríete un huevo y dale con coco. Dale.
Okay, I just finished sweeping the floor. The next step to do it is basically doing the edge of the floor. Why doing the edge of the floor first? Because it's the part that is taking more time to do it. Why take more time? Because you gotta go and do it very careful. Make sure you don't make any mess. So you can use the blue tape too. This is special for paint. But in this case, you don't have to use it because, as you can see, the drywall is not touching the floor, the garage floor. So you don't have to use it in this case. So let's start doing the perimeter of the edge of the garage. So I see you in the back when I'm starting doing the edge.
Vamos con todo. Vamos con todo. Este canal está con todo. Vamos con todo. Dile a Princess que ponga un huevo. Que ponga un huevo. Que ponga un huevo. Dile a Princess que ponga un huevo. Sazón ranchero.
If you're learning something from this project, please go like, subscribe. It's free. So now I'm going to show you why the reason I paint the edge first. The reason why I do the edge first is because when I'm actually painting the floor, I don't have to touch the wall anymore. So you can see. Another thing is, another point, let's say, you cannot start painting over here. You have to start painting over there. So that way you can come and you don't have to make a mess. So I see you in the bed when the project is getting done. Thank you.
Vamos con todo. Vamos con todo. Este canal está con todo. Vamos con todo. Dile a Princess que ponga un huevo. Que ponga un huevo. Que ponga un huevo. Dile a Princess que ponga un huevo.
Okay, as you can see the finished job. If you like this job, go down, do a like and subscribe because I have more projects to do it. As you can see, the project came out very nice in the low budget. So I think it came out very nice. And no. So thank you very much. I see you in the next project. I'm gonna do it. Now, you win a Huirazo. Go ahead, my director, because they win a Huirazo. Recuerda, a suscribirte, mi gente. Esto va para rato. Suscríbete. Ganaste tu Huirazo. Coge ahí por pechú.
Vamos con todo. Vamos con todo. Este canal está con todo. Vamos con todo. Dile a Princess que ponga un huevo. Que ponga un huevo. Que ponga un huevo. Dile a Princess que ponga un huevo. Sazón ranchero. Ponele un poco.